Video is going to be in two parts. We're going to repair a stuck or stiff Alliance washing machine door handle. For the first part, we're going to take it apart. The second part, we'll reassemble. To disassemble the door handle, you're going to need a hammer and a 3/16 punch. You're going to want to open the door handle so that the pin is facing straight up. You're going to want to use your knee to push it in as far as you can. You're trying to get this piece here braced on the latch here. That way when you hammer down, you're not putting all the pressure on the hinge. So push it in, get your punch in place. Sometimes it takes quite a bit of force. You're going to want to do this with a mini sledgehammer, not a regular claw hammer or ball peen hammer. Alright, once that pin is out, you can go ahead and slide the handle off. Depending on how dirty your door handle is, you're not going to be able to get this piece out without hammering it straight out. Just brace the door and hit it head on. You're going to want to hang on to your plastic washers. You're going to need those later. Just pull this piece out here. Now at this point, how far you go with the project is up to you. If the handle is only stiff to turn, you can clean these pieces and reassemble. If the button is stiff as well, you're going to have to disassemble this piece. To take this one apart, it's a lot easier on a vise. Just space your vise so you can lay the rod down like that. I use a larger punch when the pins are sticking out to hit them rather than trying to line up the same size pin. Alright. That's it there.